guys, so welcome back to another amazing video. If you are new, thanks so much for clicking. It's your girl Showcase of Liberia, and I'm back again with another amazing unboxing video. So if you love to order things from on SHEIN, because guys, I have become one of the ambassadors of SHEIN will be Liberia, because a lot of people call me asking me, hi, how do you order online? How do you get your stuff? Contact me, my number right there on the screen, and know that there's a little fee attached to my services too. So I just order my, I think this is my fifth package or fourth package or something. So this is it right here, and I will be unboxing this with you guys, and we're going to see what we order for versus what we got. So let us see what SHEIN have sent us. We have a lot of things here that we purchased. Oh wow, this is for my tin. You guys will see my tin. I want to start counting out gold. So you're going to juke this to like hold the tin on the ground. And this is my shower something. I got this to take my shower. But it looks so small to like scrub my back when I'm taking bath. And then they want from the scrub on my body. I love it. But you don't have to play too rough with it. I love it. And then I finally got this thing again. It's like an air freshener. The last time I purchased two, my son threw the other one away. So I have to mind this where you can like shoot it on the camo, make the camo design beautiful. Oh, my earring looks so nice, guys. I love the colors. I love everything about it. I thought I said myself here, yeah, my people. I can't joke, sir. Let me see if I can put one in my ear, sir. I told you I can't joke there, yo. It's all about me, myself, and I. See my earring? They force me, I can give people a hard time. You see my earring, guys? Where is the hook? Woo. I will put it there, guys. You guys will see my earring. Okay. Don't drop now. You can't hiss. The nails don't want to give me a chance. Some of my friends say when they're having these nails, they can do all that work for me. Now I make it when I get it onto a ring, put earring. Okay, they want to hiss. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. I got different earrings, different stuff. Ooh, you see my earring, how it look? Yeah, and I love the two colors that here shiny. So these are my material things that I got for myself. Me, myself, and I. Yes, period. And then this is my second time purchasing this, my camo seat again. I love it. Put it around my camo. When I set in my boom boom on it, it feels soft, and then I poo-poo. Yeah, this is my camo seat. And then, ooh, I got my bowl. The bowl looks so SHEIN. My shopping bowl, I want to use it. I won't be acting like say last woman. You know, I'll be cutting my thing. Yeah, I can do it in America. Oh, look at the earring. What looking big. SHEIN. SHEIN. I didn't probably not get with SHEIN. But anyway, the size not bad. Put on my earring. My earring look beautiful. Beautiful earrings. Beautiful earrings, guys. This video will be on part 2. Yeah. And then I told you I went all in with this, right? And I told you there's the second stretch mark stuff, so I got 2 to show you how good it is. So I got 2 to try it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you see my son Boo. Oh man, it looks so nice already. Yeah, I mean my baby boy here also. I'm buying small things. Ooh, see the bubble now. It look long while we adjust it. We adjust it. See the Sunday. I put on his neck that they pia. If you go away, it looks so good, guys. It looks so good. I love this. SHEIN, thank you. Let me keep my son's stuff. I thought I bought it. Got my war down there. I wanna show you up. Another foot cream. I told you I went all in, so I got 2 foot cream because I wanted to finish soon. You know, I know what time I'll be ordering again, so I got 2 foot cream also. And then I got 2 of this stuff. Where's the other one? Oh, okay, no, that one here. Okay, here I thought I said 2. So 2 black stuff. Yeah, 2 each. And then I got another more jewelry. Let me see which kind of jewelry is this. Wow, let me see how it look. Oh my god, I hope it did not spoil. I think SHEIN gave me so. Let me see it. Let me see it how it look. I will check it up and see. I will check the photo and then see. I seen 2 things here coming with it. I don't know what it's for, what is it for. Yeah, so let me just keep it, I'll look at the picture and then see what is it. Because some things then when you order for, you know you can forget. So I will see what it's for, but I think that SHEIN or something. Yeah, I will see. So I love it. Look beautiful. Oh, my bag. My bag is here. My YouTube bag. I got this bag for my YouTube. You see? I got this bag for my YouTube. I thought I would need more equipment, right? I close it a bit. I put on my back. But why are you looking at it? You go on my back. Oh, I can't go on my back. Oh, wow, it looks strong. Oh, I put my equipment in it. Let's see how they're cute. Woo. Wow. I love it. And this is for my fish, to clean the fish. I finally got this. To move the fish skill. This is it. All the skill will go in here and then you move it. Oh, that thing not blue. I thought I was blue. So you have to do the fish at it. And then the fish skill going no more. Yeah. Ooh, this is what I've been looking for. This is for my baby boy. Ooh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I got it to cut her hair, guys. Every day, going to cut your hair, and not small money. It came with all of the accessories. See? It came with everything, even though, like, something is here. It came with, like, everything. See? I'll be cutting my son hair nicely. Wow. Yo. Got it. Easy, guys. Finally. Oh, they put battery in there. Oh. The battery can charge. Wow, I can't wait to use it. I start cutting hair. I'll cut his hair today. Another video. I'm so happy. Wow, I love it. I love it, SHEIN. Thank you, SHEIN. Thank you, SHEIN. Thank you, SHEIN. I love it. I still got more things. I don't want to do the clothes first. Let me know what I'm doing. Oh, SHEIN, that thing too small, yeah, SHEIN. It won't small, man. You don't put that, thank you again. Yes, for the whole thing. So this is for my PepsiCo. I'll be facing my little juices and everything. I put in here, and then I put a stick when you make ice. Then I use it. We'll be licking it. Hum. We make our juice, our ice juice. Or put our milk. Guys, this is it. I love it so much. The only thing is a little smaller, but it's not bad. So guys, look at this other one again for my baby boy. Daddy can see now. Ooh, I love it. It came out very nice. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh, you can put on the child neck. And then you really adjust. It's so elegant, guys. Oh, my son, I play. My son, I baby. I will eat this for my things now. Whoa, they want to show you. Say, look how they slipper. Instead of me taking bigger size. I think I can film my baby photo. It's so nice. The slipper came out nice. I will try on the phone and see. I know I got it on the phone for. John, come. Come and see if I can film. What? So slow. Wow, this is my son's book bag. Got his back there. I know the book coming start school. So there's his book bag here. It looks strong. Wow. So yeah, I should start sending the boy his small school materials then. I book bag here to go to school. Wow, it looks so beautiful. I love it. Wow. Guys, see my son's book bag now. See my son's book bag now. One of the slippers, the size I paid for, it looks small, but we'll see. So there's his book bag. We go to school on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday. It's time for us to go. Goodbye to your teacher. It's time for us to go. We come to school on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Oh, the bag came up on me. I love it. I love the bag. And then I got this one to be scrubbing my pot. Let me see how it looks. If it can really scrub pot, we'll try and see. Yeah, this is my pot scrubber. I just think I put this thing on. It's working on. And then I got this one for somebody. Oh, they put 3 nipples on it. Wow. Curious show. And then I got my, oh, I told you that my self-care is all about me. Me, myself, and I can't play. This is for my room. I wear in my room. I feel fine. Put the AC on now. So you see? This here they fit me nicely. The chair, I didn't have on my body. This is my can, my tin. I will pull it up and then show you how it looks. The bag almost empty now. That is small. It will not hear my song. Let me see what all we have in this bag. So the bag almost finished. I still have a few things here. Let me see my song on the clothes that I purchased. See? Wow, they want a real plastic SHEIN semi. Well, SHEIN, it will fit him, but the coat looks small. Guys, this is yellow. Look at this. SHEIN, the trouser is good, but the material is not okay. And then this is my chain that I got. My chain. SHEIN. There's my chain, guys. Guys, this is my chain. My hand second now, like how you be looking on my leg. Yeah. And then this is my last something, so I got two of this. No, the one I got. But the old one I bought before. It's also for the black arm. And there's my chain, as I show you guys. The thing I go buy for my son here is really risky. I don't know if I'll get it. But it's a game. It's really risky. And then I bought one suit for myself. Let's see how the suit looks. It's SHEIN. And nice though. The color is nice. And then there's the skirt. So it's like a two-piece. It looks really nice, thick. It's not thin. Let me see which size I took. 2XL. So 2XL is my size on SHEIN. Whenever I'm buying. See me now. I'm going to wear this my SHEIN clothes to go out. And then the glass. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for our SHEIN collection. This is the other one here. For my son, it's like a puzzle game. Now puzzle is about block. You can put it together. But it's too small is not a good thing for a child. I thought it was going to be bigger. I don't know why SHEIN will keep doing such a thing. You seen it? It's so small. It's not okay at all. It's not okay. It's not. You seen it? It's not. It's not okay. It's very small SHEIN. So guys, thanks so much for watching this SHEIN try on haul what I bought versus what I got unboxing. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.